Hello YouTube, in this video let's check out the Bot 121 version 2 earbud. Bot call it Airdopes. Okay, this is how the design look like. Three types of color available. I already uploaded unboxing video, check out here. The design really good, it hold on ear perfectly and comfortable. I shaked my head and it just stay in my ear. So it is good design for jogging. The bud company claims 4 grams. The build quality also really good. The magnet hold tight, also the case lid not shaking and it is good. Case also easy to carry in hand or even in the pocket. Okay, now let's talk about its hardware. The case backup up to 12 hour and 3.5 hour each bud. Carry case indicate the remaining charge percentage in digital and the digital will blink if the case is plugged. Case comes with micro USB port and take 2 hours to fully charge the case. Each bud has mic so you can use any one for calling if you don't want two of them. Connecting speed also good by taking the bud from case it just auto connect in 2 4 sec. BT version 5 is actually doing good job in this bud. I don't feel any latency when play video game. I played PUBG Mobile and it is comfortable also no delay. Here is its mic quality. You hearing this audio from port 121 V2 model earbud, no voice cancellation, but it's doing great for this price. If you love to hear music and you go for jogging, I think in this budget, this is the best earbud for you. It 8 mm audio driver doing very good job. The bass is very good and the volume is loud too. I already reviewed 131 bought Airdopes and the price is same. This product now available for 1299 rupees in Amazon and that 131 also in same range but that model don't have bass only high clear volume. Now both improved by adding bass to 121. Also the light is dimmed so don't irritate at night. This model is in ear type so you can hear outside well if you put this in your ear. Also in ear make it difficult to talk with a person near you while wearing it. Both 121 V2 sound balanced. I mean I can reduce the volume in 131. I can't control much but 121 is still high volume. You only needed 75% of volume. You can put 100%. It is too loud like Chinese wireless earphone, but they improved a lot now and it is very good one in this price. And careful, never put this thing in full. Only use if you have low hearing. It's actually a button both sides to control music like pause, resume, next, previous, take the call and reject. Also wake up Google Assistant. The button is okay if you have no problem with pressing and hearing that click. For me, I don't feel any problem using button. But touch is better because button will wear easily. I hope it lasts longer. It's up to both. Okay guys, that's all for this video. I hope you got everything. If I did forgot anything, then please comment. I will help you out. Also, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.